Hello everyone, today we're going to make an aluminum belt buckle right here out of some 1/8 inch scrap aluminum flat bar. Project's really simple. Speeds up the process instead of having to drill out shafts. Is using these little ferrule and stop set. These are 3/16. Probably make them a little bit bigger if you want them to fit a little bit better. But anyway, we're going to drill these out anyway. So these work. They're like $3 from Home Depot, and you can get on your way. You're going to need some machine that can weld aluminum, preferably a TIG welder, and all the accoutrements for that. Helmet, gloves, possibly a respirator, and a nice clamp. You're also probably going to need a drill if you have to drill things out. A bandsaw does speed up cutting the shafting that you're going to use for the inside. Right here. This is all aluminum shafting. And you'll need a file to file this down. But in the end, you're going to end up with something really cool. You can use it every day if you want. That's aluminum belt buckle. That's not going anywhere. Thank you. Let's get started. Oops, I started drilling without recording, so we're going to finish it off while recording. Here we go. My drill bits just hate me. Luckily it's just aluminum. Okay, here we go. Oh, sucker isn't all that hot. Okie doke. So now I round off the edge here. Okie doke. That should do it. Let me focus. Come on. There we go. So that is the finished ferrule, drilled out ferrule. Guess that's what we're going to call it. Anyway, okay, on to the next step. Okie doke. As my luck would have it, the only piece of usable flat bar I have has a sticker on it because I used the rest for bead practice. Oh well. Let's see if we can kind of chisel it off. Let's see. This is going to be a blast to weld with all this contamination in here.